Hi guys, let's continue our order number. Here we go. I have 102, I have 98, 95. I want to order my number on this number line. Remember, on the number line, it goes from least to greatest. So here we have 102, 98, 95. Which number is my least? My smallest number is 95 here. My greatest is 102. So 98 goes in between. So now I have my numbers in order from least to greatest. 95, 98, 102. Let's take a look at this problem right here. Again, on the number line, we go from least to greatest. I have my numbers here, 101, 120, 110. So I know 101 is my least because look at the hundreds place. They all have a 1 in the hundreds place. Now look at the tens place. This one has 0 tens, this one has 2 tens, and this one has 1 10. So I know this is my least, and I know that 110 comes next, and my greatest is 120. All right, let's look at this problem right here. It says, look at the number line below. Are the numbers in the correct order? Explain your answer. So remember, on the number line, we always go from least to greatest. So let's look at our numbers. 112, 118, 101. So are these numbers in the correct order of least to greatest? I want you to send me a response. Can't wait to hear it.